Transform your habits, transform your life. The power of addition. Transform your habits, transform your life. Introduction. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. James Clear. My journey involves shedding unhealthy habits and steering towards a life filled with purpose, well-being, and achievement. Gaining clarity on my why and self-awareness prompted a profound realization of what contributes to a healthier lifestyle. Clarity on healthy living. As I became more aware, it became evident that some habits were hindering my well-being. The ongoing work involves discerning what is truly healthy and building a lifestyle that aligns with my vision. Today's focus. The secret to take on healthier habits. Secret to healthier habits. Addition, not deprivation. Instead of focusing on what to give up, shift towards what you can add to enhance well-being. Identify unhealthy habits, understand their impact, and replace them with healthier alternatives. There are 3 certainties in life. 1. Discomfort. 2. Uncertainty, and 3. Consistent effort. Tip. Save it on your phone for a daily reminder. Mindset shift. Focus on what you can add, rather than dwelling on restrictions. Think about what you're adding to support your desired lifestyle. Envision the benefits. Increased energy, improved mental clarity, and a greater sense of balance and happiness. Consciously add activities aligned with your goals. Exercise, nourishing meals, mindfulness practices, and quality time with loved ones. Weekly challenge, define your healthy. Write down your definition of healthy and 3 habits supporting it. Identify an action step to kickstart your path to a healthier lifestyle. Small steps lead to significant changes over time. Embrace personal growth, and I'm here to guide you. Empowered week ahead. Keep going, embrace the transformative power of personal growth, and have a strong and empowered week ahead. Let's navigate your journey together. How it helps overcome imposter syndrome. This approach shifts the focus from what needs to be given up to what can be added for personal growth. By consciously incorporating positive habits and envisioning their benefits, individuals can build confidence and a sense of accomplishment. The emphasis on consistent effort aligns with overcoming imposter syndrome. By fostering a mindset of progress and self-improvement, it encourages individuals to define their version of a healthy, successful life, reinforcing a positive self-image and reducing the impact of imposter feelings. Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource. New Beginning, com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. New Beginning, com/affiliate program. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. New Beginning, com. Solopreneurs Digital Branding Hub. My New Beginning, com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs Dream Lifestyle. Supats, com.